Want to extract audio from a video using Inshot? In this video, I'll show you how to separate audio from video easily on Android or iPhone using the Inshot app. Let's get started. First, open the Inshot app on your phone. Tap Video, then select the video you want to extract audio from. Once your video loads into the editor, you'll see the timeline at the bottom. Make sure the video is fully imported before continuing. At the bottom menu, tap Music. This opens the audio editing tools. Now tap Extract Audio from Video. Choose the video you want to pull audio from. Inshot will automatically separate the audio track from the video. The extracted audio will appear in the timeline. If you only want the audio, tap the video clip and select Delete. Now only the extracted audio remains. You can now trim audio, adjust volume, add fade effects, split audio sections, and customize the sound however you like. When finished, tap Save in the top right corner. Choose Export Quality. If needed, you can save the project as a video containing only the audio track. Make sure you have permission to use copyrighted music or audio before reposting content online. Avoid using copyrighted audio without authorization. You can use extracted audio for TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, voiceovers, podcasts, sound effects. This makes content creation much easier. And that's how to extract audio from video in Inshot. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment below.